Facebook, Instagram and Twitter disrupted pro-United States covert influence operations that used deceptive tactics to shape opinion in Central Asia and the Middle East, according to a report by Internet researchers. Dozens of fake accounts promoted pro-Western narratives while trying to discredit countries including China, Russia and Iran over a nearly 5-year period, according to the report released on Wednesday by Graphico and the Stanford Internet Observatory. Posts argued that the US was the main guarantor of Central Asia's sovereignty against Russia, frequently citing the war in Ukraine as evidence of the Kremlin's imperial ambitions. The Central Asia campaign, consisting of 12 Twitter accounts, 25 Facebook profiles and pages, and 10 Instagram accounts, also spread negative messaging about China's treatment of the Uyghurs in Xinjiang, where human rights activists say more than 1 million ethnic minority Muslims have been detained without trial. In some cases, the accounts shared news articles from Washington-funded media outlets, including Voice of America and Radio Free Europe, and links to websites run by the U.S. military.